This is my week 9 assignment. We'll just start off with the CSS. So I just had to create a few little things that I was having a hard time changing in Bootstrap that I couldn't. A couple of them were just different text colored backgrounds. One of them with shadow, and one of them just more bold. I also created the logo pick, which is using picture that I use for the nav bar. So I needed to create the background image and how far it extended and where the image was centered, so it was in a position I liked it as the background for the nav bar. Our first web page is here. It's our intro page. It's over here, sorry. That's just your normal stuff. I added the style sheets, then created changed the background of everything, and then created a nav bar. I used the same nav bar on both of my pages, on top 5 and on the home page. And it just has 2 links and turns into a button when it collapses, the navbar toggler. And when it collapses, it just turns into a drop down. I also created a couple of containers that contained all these card images in them. I really like the cards with the text and the image, so I created basically a heading with a little information, a card, and label on the card, and 2 cards, and then I did that for basically 3 different categories. You have category 1, category 2, category 3. I changed the background of the cards to gray. I changed the text to bold, and then I put a little footer on all of those as well. I also made them to where they're side by side unless you collapse it. And as you collapse it, they then start to stack vertically, so it reads easier. At the bottom of the page, I created a form. It's just a simple add your email address, submit it, then you can sign up for a newsletter with a HR break here and a footer here. And then this is just the script used in so that the JavaScript code works for Bootstrap and using like the navbar dropdown menu and everything. Page 2 is a table that I created. It's the navbar is the same. I have a heading, like a title and an explanation of the web page. And then I created fluid, so it extends the whole thing, and it's reactive as well, or sorry, it's a responsive table. I made it to where the rows highlight as you hover over them. It's got striped columns, and I changed the color of the background to make it look nice. I added images and text in it, and I added some bold text on the spots that I thought I needed it. I also added like just another little spot down here that's like a I can't think of the word, like an honorable mention. So I added that to it, and it's just an image with some text. And then I added another form. This form has 2 inputs, 3. It's got 2 text inputs and 1 button. One text is for your favorite red and why. The other one is for which one is best, and it's got a little bit of an info thing under each bar on what you want to do. And then it's got a submit button. When you click it, it moves back to the top of the page because right now there's no JavaScript to it. And then this is a better look at the table. I also put some bold in there on the total score, so it's easier to read. And in my opinion, I think it would turn out pretty nice. I like the background, and I actually had quite a lot of fun doing this one this week. All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.